Hello students, after little pause we meet here again. Students of 8th standard English medium, I want to inform you, it's a time of COVID-19, so that's why we all have to protect ourselves from this pandemic. Okay, so before we start any new chapter, you have to keep book in your hand. Students, today you will learn another new chapter number 3. Again I repeat, before we go ahead you have to keep book in your hand so easily you can understand what's there in this chapter. And now semester 2 book, okay, remember this thing, here you can see on your screen, remember. Students, what's the title of third number chapter? It's a one type of verses, one type of poetry form. So before we go ahead, let's understand its a title. Students, here title given Prahelika. Pahelika, it's a wrong pronoun, so remember this thing, pra and he, prahelikaha. Okay, pahelikaha means puzzle. Riddle also we can say that. Okay, riddle and puzzle also we can say here. So remember this thing. I hope you understood this title very well. Now let's see what's there in this Prahelika. Students, these types of interface you can see in your book. Here on your screen you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 verses. I want to read this. Eka chakshurna kako ayam. Da you can see it's avagra form. There you have to read a here. Okay, you have to read here a. So if you will read kakodayam, then it's known as wrong. So sandhi word is there, kakaha plus ayam. So at the time of reading you have to know that kako ayam. Okay, next bilama ichhanna pannagaha. Next shriyate vardate chaiva. Okay, cha plus aiva. Here again one sandhi word you can see, chaiva. So sandhi word like this, cha plus eva. So the word here you can see chaiva. Na samudro na chandramaha. First word is completed. Now second see. Chaturmukho na cha brahma rushaharudo na sankara. Here also same thing say. Sandankar you will not read here. You have to read here avagra and then downside you can see ka. So that's you have to know. Sanka, nasal sound. Avagra, ank and downside whatever given. Okay, that's you have to read ka given. So sanka, ga given, then sanka. Okay, sankaraha. Next. Nirjivi cha nirahari aja ashram dhanya bhakshanam. Next, third verse, apado durgami. Students, when you will see a in front of any word, at that time it suggests negative, means no word. Okay, so apad means without. So remember this thing. Apado durgami cha saksharo na cha panditaha. Panditaha, visarg given, so it's known as singular form. So only scholar. Scholars, no need to write that. Next, amukhaha. See, again a. Okay, no word is there. Mukh means mouth. Amukh means without. Okay, without mouth. Sputa vakta. Sput and vakta, two words you can see here. Cha yo janati sa panditaha. Next verse, parvata agre. Here also sandhi word you can see, parvata plus agre word. How many words are there? See, one word is parvata, okay, and another word is agra, agra, and another word agre, means upon the mountain, okay. Next, ratho yati, ratho and yati, afterward we will say it's a translate. Rath means chariot and yati means it's going on. Bhumo pristhati sarthihi, bhumo, see here case form given, bhumo, bhumi, it's a regular form of word bhumi, okay, e ending word is there, and here bhumo given, so the format given of case form like the bhumi, bhumo and bhumayah, that's you will learn in next in 9th standard. So here only you have to get intro. Bhumo means which case form, here bhumo means first person dual form, okay, first person dual form you have to remember. Bhumo tristhati sarthi, and feminine form given, so remember this thing, trishtha, and another word you can see ti, trishtha plus ti, so here following present tense, when you will see ti, so it's following the present tense, like mi, vaha, maha, si, thaha, tha, ti, taha, anti, so here third person singular form given, ti, trishtha and ti. Tristhati means is staying, is sitting, also we can write there. Sarthihi means charioteer, okay, sarthi. Next, chalati vayu vegena pada mi ekam na gachanti. Chalati, you can understand, easy word is there, is going on. Vayu vegena, vayu means wind and vegena means like that. Pada ekam, here also one sandhi word given, pada mekam, in your book you can see padmek, you will not read it as padmek, you have to read like this, pada ma and then ekama, okay, padamekam means one step. Na gacchati, na means not and gacchati means is going on, so negative form happen, is not going on, okay. So that is the concept given in 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So let again we have to understand it's a concept. Here with reading we have understand it's a concept. Now see, ek chakshu na kakoyam, ek chakshu means it has one eyes, na means not, kakoyam means this crow, means it has one eye but not a crow. Bilam ichhanna pannagaha, see here na negative, no word you can see, michanna, no, so we have to use no, nothing, है ना. Bilam ichhanna pannagaha means it want, mi ichha, each word you can see, so it wants. Bil means hall, okay. Bilam ichhanna pannagaha means it wants to enter, to go into the hall. Na pannagaha, pannag means snake, remember, means one who want to go into the hall but not a snake. That is the concept given in first line. It has one eye but not a crow. Another given, bilam ichhanna pannagaha means it wants to go into the hall but not a snake. In Hindi let I want to explain this. एक आँख है पर क्रो नहीं है, ओके. नेक्स्ट गिवन, बिलम इच्छन पन्ना यानी कि वन हु वांट टू गो इन हॉल, बिल में जाना है पर वो कोई स्नेक नहीं है, दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट गिवन हियर. सेकंड लाइन सी, श्रियते वर्धते च ऐव, श्रियत एंड वर्ध, श्रियत मीन्स वन कैन डिस्ट्रॉय एंड वर्धते मीन्स increase, means increase and decrease. Cha aiva na means it is not. Samudro na chandrama means it is not. Samudra means ocean and na chandrama means moon. So in last line given, it increase and decrease but not an ocean and or moon also we can say. So that is the concept of first. Now second see, chaturmukho na chandrama brahma वृषारूढ़ो न शंकरः. See how many things you have to remember here. चतुर्मुखो न चंद्र, चतुर्मुखो न च ब्रह्मा, and another वृषारूढ़ो न शंकर. Two things you have to remember. Chaturmukh means four face. Na cha Brahma means not Brahma, means it has four face but not Lord Brahma. Vrusha Arudha na sa Sankara. Vrusha plus Arudha, two words given. Vrusha Arudha means one who ride upon. Vrusha means ox. Na Sankar means not Lord Shankar. Another Nirjivi cha Nirahari. Nirjiv cha Nirahari. Nirjiv means non-living and Nirahari means living. Opposite words given means it's living or non-living. Ajrasam Dhanya Bhakshanam. Ajras. Ajras means continuously or constantly also we can say that. And Dhanya Bhakshanam. Dhanya means crops and Bhakshanam means crush karna. Okay. So it constantly crushes the crops. So the second concept given, it has four face but not Lord Brahma. It ride upon an ox but not Lord Shankar. Nirjivacha Nirahari means it's look living or non-living. Ajrasam Dhanya Bhakshanam means it continuously or constantly cross the crops. Answer we have to get afterward. Okay, in question answer. Now third concept see. अपदो दूरगामी च साक्षरो न च पंडितः. अपद, already I told at the time of reading. Apad means without leg. Duragami, durgami, dur means far and agami means one who went there. So the concept given, without leg it go far. Cha saksharo na cha panditah means it go far without leg but it is not literate or any scholar. यानी कि पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है और स्कॉलर भी नहीं है. Next, अमुख स्फुट वक्ता. अमुख means without mouth. Sput vakta. Sput means clearly and vakta means speaker, one type of. Means without mouth it speaks clearly. मुंह नहीं है फिर भी स्फुट वक्ता यानी clearly it speak. च यो जानति स पंडिता. See students, another thing I want to inform you. When you will see sa only in Sanskrit, only sa. At that time you have to know that sa relate with him or her means boy or girl according to whatever concept given here. Here concept cha yo janate means not clearly said here. It depend or it's relate with both he or she. So remember this thing. Next, amukha sput vakta. Without mouth it speaks clearly. Chayo janati sah pandit means one who know is a scholar. Means if you having answer of this puzzle then you will be scholar one. Again I repeat, without leg it go far, it's not a literate or scholar. Without mouth it speaks clearly, one who know its answer then be a scholar one. That is the concept of third one. Now next fourth one see. Parvata agre ratho yati. Parvata plus agre means on the mountain. Upon the mountain also we can say that. Ratho yati means chariot is going on. Means chariot, rath is going on upon the mountain. See here I want to draw mountain and here upside chariot is going on according to poet. Okay. Next, bhumo trishtati sarthi. See here mountain, upside chariot and bhumo trishtati sarthi means it's a charioteer here. Okay. Trishtati bhumo means stay upon the land. In short we can say that chariot is going upon the mountain but it's a charioteer stay upon the land. That is the concept. Next, chalati vayu vegena. Chalati vayu vegena means here on the mountain a chariot is present. Chalati vayu vegena means it's going on at the speed of wind. Padam ekam na gachanti. And at last our poet is telling that pada ekam na gachanti. Negative also telling this. See, padam ekam na gachanti. In front chalati vayu vegena, it's going like a wind, and at last poet is telling that pad ekam na gachanti, but it is not going forward as one step. यानी कि एक स्टेप भी आगे बढ़ नहीं रहा है, दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट। अगेन रिपीट सी, पर्वता अग्रे रथ याति, यानी कि माउंटेन के ऊपर रथ जा रहा है। ओके, भूमो तिष्ठति सारथी, पर उसका सारथी कहाँ पर है? नीचे, लैंड के ऊपर। चलती वायु वेगेन, अनदर अवर पोएट इज टेलिंग दैट जो चैरियट है माउंटेन के ऊपर, इट्स गोइंग लाइक वायु वेगेन, गोइंग लाइक विंड। और लास्ट में हमारा पोएट कह रहा है पद एकम न गच्छन्ति, पर जा तो रहा है वायु की वेग की तरह, पर पद एकम न गच्छन्ति मीन्स इट्स नॉट टेकिंग वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, पर एक स्टेप भी आगे बढ़ नहीं रहा है। व्हाट्स द आंसर विल कम आफ्टर वी विल सी स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, लेट्स हियर on your screen you can see proper translate of whatever 1 2 3 4 words we have seen. See, translate. It has one eye but not a crow. It wants to go into the hole but not a snake. It increase and decrease but not an ocean or moon. Okay, answer you have to guess students. Now second see, चतुर्मुखो न च ब्रह्मा, वृषारूढ़ न शंकर, निर्जीव च निराहारी, अजरसम धान्य भक्षणम। It has four faces, but not Brahma. It ride upon an ox, but not Lord Shankar. It is living on non-living, but it's constantly cross the crops. Next, third verse, see. It goes far without legs. It is not a scholar or literate. Without mouth it speaks more, means clearly one who knows the answer is a scholar. And fourth, a charioteer is upon the mountain, a charioteer is staying on the land. It goes fast like wind, but it does not go one step forward. That is the concept and translate of 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, next fifth and sixth given like this in your book. Suvarnasya, 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 3 times words given. Suvarnasya, 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 Suvarnasya. Cha Janaki, Janaki means Sita. Presita tava ramena, Suvarnasya cha mudrika. Preshita means having sent, tava ramena means your Ram, Suvarnasya cha mudrika means golden ring. Here we have to understand some words given as same. Suvarnasya, how many times you can see students? See, 1 2 3 and 4 times given Suvarnasya, Suvarnasya, Suvarnasya and Suvarnasya. But if you will see students, here our poet written these 4 times words, but it's giving different meanings. So in these words you will not get any riddle or puzzle. You will get here only the importance of words, what words can do. So Suvarnasya, 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 3 times given, it's a meaning different. Gold, golden and golding. Cha Janaki means these 3 words used for Janaki. Janaki means holy and very great lady named as Sita. Preshita tava ramena, Preshit means one who sent, tava ramen means your Ram. Suvarnasya cha mudrika, now another word Suvarnasya means golden, and cha mudrika, mudrika means ring. And that is the concept of these words. There is no any puzzle, only we have to understand the importance of words. Okay, what words can do, understood? Next, 6th number, bhojanante cha kim peyam. Here our poet is asking question, answer also given in these words at last, but first of all our poet is asking question, bhojanante cha kim peyam. See the first question given here, bhojan ante, at last dinner, lunch, whatever. Cha kim peyam means what have to drink, means what have to drink after dinner. Second question asking, Jayantah Kashyave Sutah. Jayant Kashya means whose, why Sutah, Sutah means son, means whose son Jayant is. Second question asking by poet. Another question asking, Katham Vishnu Padam Prauktam. Katham means how or what, Vishnu Padam means place of Lord Vishnu, Prauktam means talk, means how we can talk about the place of Vishnu. स्टूडेंट्स, आवर पोएट इज टेलिंग दैट हम भगवान नहीं बन सकते. वी कांट टेक प्लेस ऑफ लॉर्ड. ओके, सो वी will not think about others. Okay, we will not discuss about other, only we have to do great deeds. Takram shakramosya dullabam. Answer given by poet, bhojanante cha kim piyam. Takram. Takram means buttermilk, chas. Okay, in Gujarati we can say that. Then Jayantah Kashyapa Sutam. Jayantah Kashyapa Sutam means whose son Jayant is. Jayantah, name of son. It's a name given by a great Lord Brahma, and name of this person is Shakrasya. Shakrasya means Indra. Next, Katham Vishnu Padam Proktam means how one can take place of Lord Vishnu, or how we can discuss about the place of Lord Vishnu. So the answer given here, Dullabham, means very difficult, means we will not be a Lord, we will not be a God. यानी हम भगवान नहीं बन सकते, है ना. और भगवान बनना है, दैट मीन्स यू नो एवरी टाइम वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट वेलफेयर ऑफ अदर्स. सो हियर द पोएट टेलिंग दैट भोजनांते च किम पियम, व्हाट हैव टू ड्रिंक आफ्टर डिनर, तक्रम. जयंतः कश्यपे सुतः, हुज सन जयंत वाज और हुज सन जयंत इज. ओके, सो आंसर शक्र. शक्र वर्ड यूज फॉर इंद्र. नेक्स्ट, कथम विष्णु पदम प्रोक्तम मीन्स हाउ द प्लेस ऑफ विष्णु. दुर्लभ मीन्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. Okay, so that is the concept given here. Now let's proper translate, we have to understand it. Oh respected Lady Sita, you are like gold, golden and goldie. Your Rama has sent you a golden ring. So here you can see importance of G word in English, and in Sanskrit Sa word. Okay, 6. What have to drink after dinner? Second question, whose son Jayant is or was, also we can write here. How is the place of Lord Vishnu? Answer, buttermilk, Indra and very difficult. Students, I hope you understood this whole Prahalika. You have to refer this again and again and have to write in notebook again and again. Now here one exercise given according to our verses. Answer the following questions. See, first question, एक चक्षु कहाँ अस्ति? एक चक्षु कहाँ अस्ति? Students, here two answer you can write. One, when you will solve puzzle, that's answer also you can write here. And one, whatever given in words, kakah. Okay, kakah एक चक्षु अस्ति, that's also right. Okay, and suchika, that's also you can write answer here. Means first word's answer is suchika. Now question 2, कह धान्य भक्षणम करोति. कह धान्य भक्षणम, here proper answer have to write हलम. हलम धान्य भक्षणम करोति. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, सारथी कुत्र तिष्ठति. सारथी भूमौ तिष्ठति. भूमौ on the land. कुत्र have to remove here and we have to write सारथी भूमौ तिष्ठति. Fourth question, Ratha kutra yati. Kutra means where. Yati means is going on. Ratha parvata agre yati. Parvata agre have to write here. Next, Ramena ka presita. Ramena ka means what? Presita means sent. Ramena mudrika presita. And another word also we have to add here, Suvarnasya mudrika. Then answer will happen right. So in exam you have to write Suvarnasya mudrika. Okay. Next, जयंतः कस्य पुत्रः. जयंतः कस्य पुत्रः. जयंतः शक्रस्य पुत्रः. Remember this thing. Okay. Next, another exercise also here given. Fill in the blanks. चतुर्मुखः डैश अस्ति. चतुर्मुखः डैश अस्ति. In option given Brahma, Vishnu, Shankarah. According to our verses poem, which answer we have to choose? Brahma. Okay, Chaturmukha Brahma asti. Second question, second fill in the blanks. Bhojanante peyam dash. Bhojanante peyam. Peyam means drink. Okay, here option given Dugdham, Supam, takram. Okay, so according to our verses, right answer takram have to choose. Bhojanante peyam takram. Takram means buttermilk. In Gujarati we can say chas. Okay. Third, apadah sabdasya artha. Most important blank for your exam. Apadah sabdasya artha. In Sanskrit we have to write answer here. Sapadah, padrahitah or padah. Then the answer will come apad, negative, no word. So here padrahita. 4, rathah dash chalati. Rathah dash chalati. Vayu vegena, jal vegena, vidyut vegena. Then the right answer we have to choose here vayu vegena. Okay students, and last question given here, Vishnu padam dash provoktam. How the Vishnu padam is? Vishnu padam is very difficult, so in Sanskrit dulabam. Okay, I hope you understood this exercise properly and verses also. At last students, I want to telling you thank you to watch this video and refer this video again and again. Take care.